Vertiv has opened a new factory in Chakan, Pune, India to make thermal management products and solutions for data centers. The facility is 210,000 square feet and will make cooling solutions from 200 W to 2 MW+. It also has labs for testing and a customer experience center. Vertiv CEO said the new factory is needed because the data center industry is growing and India is becoming a data center hub. A JLL report says India's data center market will grow 678 MW in the next 3 years, and India Briefing says 45 new data centers are planned by 2025.
And that's where our channel play comes into. So we have 2 distributors, around 180 plus managed partners, and around 2,000 odd long tail. So that gives us the coverage that we need in the marketplace. In terms of what we do, we keep the critical applications of our customers running, and service is that the reason is utmost importance, right? And that is why we want our service engineers to be very close to the customer installations, and that's why you see around 41 offices in India where we are spread across the breadth of the country, located near the customer, ensuring that the uptime SLA that they have with their end customers is met. In terms of talent, I think Vertiv is looking at India as a talent.
Indian market, the growth rates that it represents, certainly a market in which we have historically been very strong. We go back decades here in India, so the strength is not built in a day, but it's built in decades here, and the acceleration is built on very, very firm ground. The market itself, from a data center standpoint, is accelerating. There are studies out there that talk about almost 1.5 gig of installed, almost 1.5 gig of installed data center power in 2-3 years here in India. We think those are very credible. We think those may even be beatable. So it's an important place to be. But again, our long history, what Subhash has explained, our even very, very strong presence on the territory makes us strong, particularly in India, also in the commercial industrial space. So if you think about our portfolio, 75% globally, data center, and the rest, well, the rest is more important in terms of the share in India. So we have a very, very well covered market. In and of itself, India is very big, and we're very pleased with the talent that we have. Speaking about talent, Subhash was talking about 2,000 employees. It's worth mentioning within those 2,000 employees, not only do we have people, talent covering the local market, but also we are strengthening here in Pune our global engineering center. And we will continue to invest in the global engineering center. Global in the sense that it serves the entire world with technology, with a deep level of cooperation with our R&D centers globally. And we see India as an enormously important reservoir of talent. This talent that we use in India, but also we like to think about talent that we will deploy, offering career opportunities globally, as it is happening as well. Last but definitely not least, considering that we're here to celebrate the inauguration, is the fact that we look at India increasingly as a hub for manufacturing for the world. So you'll see that the capacity that we're building in Chakan, but also the capacity that we have in Ambernath, is available for India and outside of India. We are pleased with the development in terms of the supply chain, localization of the supply chain, and particularly Chakan, our ability to have some suppliers setting up shop in the proximity of our plant. That shortens our supply chain. That enables us then speed in serving a market that is growing.
For more information, please visit www.ncnonline.net.